Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning the set. So first of all, what is the set? The set is the collection of the unique elements. In the set we can store the numbers and the string, and it cannot have any index. In the set we can store the values in the random form and in the ordered form. So here first of all I'm gonna teach you hash set. There are different types of set: linked set, hash set, and tree set. And here is the hash set, in which I'm gonna store the string, and here is the set is its object, and then new, and then hash set, and here is the string and parentheses. And now I'm gonna import its library, and now I'm gonna add the values in the set. First of all, write the set dot add, and here is the semicolon, and then in between this I'm gonna add the HTML, that is the language, and here is the CSS, and the PHP, and the JavaScript, JS. So now this is how we add the values in the set, and now I'm gonna tell you about the other functions, how to print all the values. You can print all the values of the set using the system out. Here you need to write the set, so it print all the values. Here you can see that all the values can be printed. And another thing is the for each loop. Here is the for each loop. Here we need to declare the variable of type string. Here is a txt, and here is the text. So now here we need to write txt, and here is the parentheses, and let's print it. So here the values are printed without commas and the brackets. And set have another thing, that is it cannot contain any duplicate value. Here if we put the CSS 2 times, so when we print it out, so it print the CSS only one time, because it cannot duplicate the values. And here I'm gonna tell you about another function, that is empty. Here I'm gonna write the is empty. Here is the is empty. Here I'm gonna write the set is empty or not, set dot is empty. So let's print it out. Here you can see that now here I'm gonna make this in the comment. So now let's execute it. So here is it gives us false, it cannot empty, and another value is clear. Here I'm gonna clear the set, so the clear will remove all the values in the set. So let's execute it, and here it remove all the values. Here we need to remove this system out statement, because it don't need any printout statement, and let's execute it. So here you can see that there is no value print out on the screen because it clear all the values. And you can also guess its size. You can also find its size by using the size function. Here is the size. So here is the size is 4. So this is the way we can use the hash set to set the value. Here I want to tell you about another thing, that is you can also compare the two sets. The two sets have the common or the different values. So how to find it? It have the two functions. So let's use this function. First of all, I'm gonna create another copy of this set. Here is, I'm gonna create a copy of this set. Let's copy this and paste it here. Here set, and its object name is set2. And now I'm gonna add the values in it. I'm gonna remove this value. Here I'm gonna add the values in it. Set2 dot add. I'm gonna add the PHP, that is the common in both set, and other value is HTML. And now I'm gonna add the different values. Set2 dot add, set2 dot add. Here is the value Java, and the fourth one is set.toAdd is the JSON. So these are the two sets, and now I'm gonna compare this set with this set. So now let's go and compare. First of all, here I'm gonna make a condition. Here I'm gonna compare the set1 dot retain all that is in the set2. So what this statement does, this statement compare the values of the set1 with the set2, and it retain all the values that is in the set2, and these values are the same in the set1. So let's execute and print out. Let's print out the set1 set. So now set1 contain only that values that are in the set2, that is PHP and HTML. Here you can see that PHP and HTML because it is present in the set2, and here you can see that it also have the JavaScript and the CSS. And this is how we can retain the same values. But if we want to retain the different values, here another function is the remove all. So what is the function of the remove all? It retain all the values of the set1 that is not in the set2. So here you can see that this set contain the JavaScript and CSS value that is not in the set2. So let's print it out on the screen. Here is the set. Here it prints the CSS and JavaScript. So this is the way we can compare the set values. And here I want to tell you another thing, that set have not the specific order when you print the values on the screen. So it print the values in the random form. Here you can see that it print the set in the random form, but there are also many other sets that are ordered, that stored the values in the ordered form. So here I'm going to discuss the set that are in the order form. First one is the linked hash set. Here is the linked hash set, and now in which I'm going to store the data of type string. Here is the set 3, and here is the new, and here is hash set, and here is the string, and here is the parentheses, and now here I'm gonna add this. So now here in this set I'm gonna add the values set3 dot add, and here is the semicolon. Here first of all tiger, and then here I'm gonna add line, and here is the wolf. So now let's print these values. So these values are present in the ordered form. Here is the double quotes are miss. So let's print this set. Here I'm gonna copy this here, sys out and set 3. So here you can see that tiger, wolf and lion are in the ordered form. Here I want to tell you another thing, that is contain. So what is the contain? Contain is a function which is used to search a value that occur in the set or not. Here is the if, and here I'm gonna search set dot contains. So here it is the contain, and in between this I'm gonna write the CSS. So the first set contain the value or not, it print on the screen. Here I'm gonna, if it contain the value, so it print this yes. So let's print it on the screen. It print the yes. Set 1 contain the CSS, that is here. Here you can see that it contain the CSS.